Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the status bar and what it is and what can you do with it. So let's check it out. To see the status bar, you need to open a document. So let's go ahead and create a new document. And I'm going to use 5. Let's put it to 4. I'm going to use 4 artboards. Let's click create, and here we have 4 artboards, and as you can see, this is the status bar over here. Okay guys, so there are a couple of things that you can learn by going to and using the status bar. For example, if you click on this little arrow over here and go to show, you can see that right now it is the current tool is checked. So what does this do? If you click on this current tool, right now as you can see it says selection. It's because I'm using selection tool, but let's choose, for example, width tool, and as you can see it has changed to width. So let's choose line tool. As you can see, it is now changed to line segment. So there are a couple of options, for example, date and time, artboard name, number of undos, and document color profile. For example, if you choose artboard, and as you can see, right now we're using artboard 1. So as you can see, it is now on artboard 1, and over here it is on artboard 1 because over here we are using artboard 1, and currently we have 4 artboards. So if you click on this down arrow, you can change the artboard. For example, I'm going to choose number 3, and as you can see it changed to artboard 3. So again, if we go to here and choose show, date and time shows the current date and time, number of undos shows the number of the undos that you've done, and document color, I think it's all self-explanatory, so we're not going to talk about them furthermore. And to change the number of artboards, you can either use this down arrow key and choose any number of artboards that you want, or hit this next or last and previous and first button. For example, let's hit next, then it goes to number 4, and we hit first, it goes to number 1. And from over here, if you click on this down arrow key, you can change the view size. For example, you can choose fit on screen, and if you click on this, and this is the view that you get, you can either make it bigger or smaller. For example, 50% is this, and like 8,500 if you want to zoom in way too much, like this one. So let's back to fit on the screen. So this is all you need to know about status bar. So we're done with this lesson. See you in the next one. Have fun.